guys, welcome again back to my channel on Warita Skin, Hair and Health. Okay. So I have already mentioned in my titles on what exactly I am going to make my video on. So आज का video है, it's on skin. Okay, a simple DIY for all the winter seasons. Okay, so every time the winters come, so during summers we have some problems like our skin becomes oily, for some of them skin becomes dry, they get sun rashes and sunburns, etc. So now in December in some places it's already too cold, and because of which some of them skin turn fairer, they become fair, but they don't get glow, the skin is not hydrated, the skin doesn't get proper moisturizer, they feel like itchy and so on. And for some of them, okay, like they get uneven skin tone, like some places it's they feel they are fair, some places they feel they are dark, they have uneven skin tone and different kind of skin colors. So guys, this is a DIY, like you can try this every week once for like applied for around like 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so it's a simple DIY face mask, so you will be getting all the ingredients in your kitchen. Okay, so I will just directly go to the topic, directly go to the DIY. What are the ingredients? Okay, so guys, here are some of the ingredients which I am going to use for my winter face mask. Okay, it's not important okay, one suggestion guys, this is the advice: if you have dry skin, you can use this entire 12 months of the year. And if you feel you have very oily skin and you might feel very oily and greasy and so on, then guys I ask you to avoid this. But for winters, trust me, this is like for all skin types. Okay, this is for all skin types, and the ingredients are so good, they are so natural, they are exactly from your kitchen, so you will find all the products, all the items in your kitchen. So guys, the first ingredient is milk. Okay, so milk is something that everyone will be having in your home, right? So milk, and this is a raw milk. You please take directly आप कहीं से भी दूध लाते हो, शायद वो आप दुकान से लाओ या कहीं से भी लाओ, लेकिन उसको आपको रॉ लेना है, बिल्कुल भी बॉयल नहीं करना है, कच्चा दूध. You guys need to take raw milk. Please do not use boiled milk. Okay, so you guys have to take around like 2 to 3 teaspoons of raw milk. And after that, the next two ingredients are, this is malai. Okay, why does it look hard? Because I removed the malai from the milk and I stored it in the fridge, so it's just become hard, so that's okay. So you will be needing approx like 2 teaspoons, 2 to 3, and just see guys, it's only around 2 teaspoons of malai, which comes from the milk only. And the last one is, this is like the almond powder. This is a crushed almonds powder. So I have used around like 5 to 6 almonds, that's it. Okay, and you guys don't have to use like overnight soaked almonds, nothing, just the whole almonds what you get in the market, just get it, just crush it and use like 4 to 5 crushed almonds. Okay, and the last ingredient is haldi. So guys, I will exactly show you that how I'm going to make this mask and what are the results before and after. So guys, you have to apply this mask weekly once, and all skin types anyone can use this. It can be used by combination: oily, sensitive, normal and dry. So all the 5 skin types can use this item to make this face pack. Is milk, as I've already told that you guys need around like 4 to 5 teaspoons of milk. Okay, so this is a raw milk, so take approx like so much. Right now I've taken only 2 teaspoons, so in case if you need, we can just add, and I'll be adding around like 1 teaspoon of malai. Okay, so you will be requiring around 1 teaspoon of malai. And after that you will be requiring some almonds. So I'm directly taking in my hand. I'm not going to use any spoon today. So okay, so you'll be requiring around 2 teaspoons of almonds. I'm going to add some more milk because I need to make a very nice paste out of that. And the last one is haldi. Okay guys, so I has as usual, you guys know that in my all the other 2 to 3 videos I have used only amba haldi. Okay, so I will be using approx, like, after adding the 3 ingredients: raw milk, crushed almond powder, and 2 teaspoons of malai, and yeah, just around 1/4, मतलब 1/4 से भी कम, हाँ, just like pinch of like 1/4, yeah. So guys, very, मतलब थोड़ा सा, a pinch of हल्दी. You guys can use a normal kitchen में जो हल्दी है वो भी आप use कर सकते हो, not a problem. So I'll be mixing the entire thing in my hand. If you guys want, you guys can use brush also guys, not a problem, but I'm finding it more comfortable in my hand because it's going to give me a very nice, fine and very nice paste. Wow guys, trust me, it feels so wow. I just want to eat it, like I don't know why, maybe because of malai, milk, haldi. Okay guys, so finally my face pack is ready. So guys, now I'll tell you what exactly. First thing guys, has has the granules of almonds are not that fine, they're not very small. Okay, so just take it in your fingers and just dab it on all over the skin wherever you guys want to apply it. Guys, please apply this on your clear face. Okay, just dab it. If you guys apply in a brush, there are chances that it might fall. So just to avoid that, I am applying this in my hands. Wow, I am like, I don't know, I'm feeling so yummy. I'm feeling like the smell, the fragrance of this is so nice. And yeah guys, if you guys have dark circles, this is the best thing to apply. You can just take some amount of face pack and also apply around your dark circles, because it will also help you in the reduction of your dark circles also, and any part of your body guys. So there is no side effects in this, so I suggest you guys to apply this wherever you guys wish to. There is no side effects and nothing. So finally I have applied this, and now I'm going to keep this on my face for like approx 20 to 25 minutes from now, and after that there is one more procedure and I'm going to say you what to do. So till 20-25 minutes, let it get dried up completely. So finally my face is completely dried. After 20 to 25 minutes I'm going to scrub my face. So guys, you guys don't have to worry, even the sensitive people also can scrub their face because the granules are very soft, and you guys can wash your face in cold water or even warm water. So this is exactly how my face is looking after the face wash. Guys, it feels wow because I'm feeling completely moistured, like I don't have dry skin. During winters even I get sometimes dry skin, but right now I'm feeling totally moistured and hydrated and also kind of natural glow. So guys, you guys can try this at home, and also DM me or comment down below and tell me like how does it actually feel and how are your results, guys. So guys, finally this is exactly how my skin is looking now, and I'm very happy. So even if you guys want to have a skin like with totally like with lots of glowing and without any side effects, and if you guys feel like your skin is dry, and in winters if you guys want to get rid of dry skin and uneven skin tone and so on, so guys, this will help you in moisturizing, in giving you natural glow, and also will help you remove your blackheads and whiteheads also. So guys, try this at home, and also be beautiful, stay beautiful, and have a healthy natural looking skin at home with all the simple and easy DIYs. So guys, have a nice day, take care, and please guys subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your family and your loved ones. Thank you guys.